Hello and welcome back to the madness. Yes, the DAC week of unboxings. Today is Saturday. Happy Saturday. Depending on what time, you might be going to DAC's website right now and looking at all the new releases, if they're already. I don't know. I don't get that kind of information. Oh, it's a square. Because we have a square kit. Yay. Okay, so, I didn't even see what the... Here I am jibber jabbering. This is what we're looking at. It's a freaking square. Yay. I remember love. It's a square. It's a 20 by 27. It's a snack. Do we want to do a snack square? Should we add it to the pile over here? The pile's getting big. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we add it to the pile? My pile over here? Yeah, yes. We should, really, we should. Okay, ready? It's tight. Oh, it's cute. Well, it's bright. Oh, no sticker? Just this? No sticker? Take it back. Take it back. Oh, I don't know if I wanted to add it to my stack now because it doesn't have a sticker. But it's a cute little painting. It has 31 colors. Are you kidding me? Well, okay, so let me take back the... I took back the sticker part because this is so small. You know what I will do? I won't even kit this up. I will open up a baggie and do it. And then open up a baggie and do it. But I can tell you right now, I'm leaving V and T for the end. And do all the other ones. Yeah. So 16 and 17 color, you're waiting till the end. Okay, it's going to go in my little stash over here. It's happy. So it's a 20 by 20, please. I could do that in no time. That's a day painting. That's a, I don't have to, oh, here, wait, where, oh, man. Okay, wait. No ABs, which is fine. We do not have to have ABs with every painting. It's sticky. Okay, now let's get into the ABs. I mean, the ABs, oh my gosh. The drills. Okay, so you want it to be special. So there's your special time. Have it all by yourself. You can be special. Okay, here we go. 310. Yeah. Look at the blues. You know I have a thing about blues, people. It's all about the blues. It's all about the blues. Okay. And what we got going on here? We have some greens and blues and oranges. Yeah. I mean, it's a cute little painting with cute little colors. So yeah, we have to put it in our little stash over here. Our little snacky snack stash. Maybe I'll do a challenge in January. How many snacks can I get done in a week? 3? I'm saying 4. I can do 4 snacks in a week. That's if I don't work the weekend. Let's say that. If I have to work the weekend, then I'll do 2. Oh, he almost, see? That's why you shouldn't be individual. Because you could get lost. Look at that purple, that perfect putting back in the baggie. Yeah, I don't know. Ignore me. Ignore me. Okay. Ready? This is our last one, guys. Are you sad? Are you as sad as I am that we have no more DACs to open?
Until you buy more.
Until I buy more. I'm kind of liking to sticking to other companies right now, though. I have a lot of DACs to do, so yay! It's a sticker! Okay, so we are round with ABs. It is a 47 by 57. Yeah, and this is what we got. She's a little devil. Yes. We're only 26 colors. Yeah. Round standard toolkit. We're not going to go into that. I've talked about it enough this week. Okay, let's see. What do we have? We already know what we have, but you know what I mean? You know what I mean? We're going to do our little rolly thing. Are you sick of me doing the rolly thing? Because I'm kind of sick of doing the rolly thing. Rolly, rolly, rolly. Rolly, rolly, rolly. We're still rolling. And we're still rolling. And yuck. Okay. We're doing the rolling. We're doing the rolling. Ready? 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 Do I got it right? Probably not. Oh, it's this way. Isn't she stunning? I think she's beautiful. And she's purple. Why wouldn't you get it? She's purple. You know. You know. You know I'm not going to look. But you know there's got to be 550 in here. Yeah. Okay, so ABs. We have two ABs. Oh, I almost forgot.
Stick test.
Sticky, sticky, sticky. Look at that color blocking. That's all color blocking. Right there. That's all color blocking. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, we're looking for one. One, where are you? There's someone. In her eyes is one. Oh, that's about it. Oh, no. It's basically her hair and her eyes. So that's okay. Number 2. What is on my canvas? There's a piece of canvas on my canvas. You know, the sergy part, it's a sergy part on here. Okay, number 2. 2 is right here. Ooh. That's cute. Any more? Looking. 2 in her hair. She's got some in her hair too. Okay. Ready for the drills? I am. Oh, I keep knocking you guys. Sorry, I had to plug you in. You were starting to die, so yeah. And the canvas is big, so it moves the cord. Yeah, first world problems. It's okay. Why are you so...
I'm trying to keep my hands warm.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like excited about something like this drills. Okay, so here we go. Look at the pretty drills. Oh, I love that. You like those purples? Ah, our AB's got a little squished.
Did you find your 550?
Not yet. Stop. No 550 yet. 310. There they are. There's the 550. A small bag. I mean, come on. There's more of these than these. What is wrong? We need more 550. And then we got some pinks. Oh, and there's our other ABs. They're like a pinky AB. Lavender. Becca's going to say it's lavender. So it's lavender ABs. And that's it. Oh, yeah. It's only 26 colors. I don't know why I was thinking there was another one down there. So, you want to look at her while I pack away?
I might like purple because of our old lilac bush that we had at the old house.
Maybe. No, these freaking diamond paintings are turning me into a girl. I don't understand it and not liking it. I'm actually growing nails, and after I'm done with this, I'm putting my Color Street on my nails. What's up with that? I'm a girl. What? Anyone else feels that way? That diamond painting has just made you too girly when you weren't before? Put a little smiley face in the comments, because it's done it to me. In a way I don't like it, but in a way I do like it. I don't know. And I'm not sure how I feel about this. It's kind of nice to like want girly things now. I'm not wearing makeup. That's never going to happen. But I like sparkly, pretty things now. I still like my Deadpool. You see Deadpool? Deadpool. Yeah. I still like my guy-y things. My Tomish, boyish things. But, yeah. Okay. So I think I kept you guys long enough. I hope you enjoyed all these unboxings as much as I did. I thought it was very fun to give you a week of DACs. So, till next time, guys, enjoy and be happy. Bye, guys.